Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on adjusting the size of an image within a WordPress page or post. In this guide, you will learn how to access your WordPress dashboard, navigate through the editing panels, and modify the dimensions of an image to suit your content layout. The process is designed to be completed in just a few minutes, and by following these instructions, you can quickly improve the visual presentation of your site. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Clicking on this link directs you to the login screen, which is always your entry point for accessing the site's backend settings. At the login screen, you are given the option to continue with Google. This method streamlines the sign-in process by allowing you to select one of your pre-authorized Google accounts. Simply click on the Continue with Google option and choose the account you wish to use. This secure approach not only saves time but also ensures that you are immediately directed to your site's dashboard after authentication. After you have logged into your WordPress account successfully, you should look for the Quick Links section. In this area of the dashboard, shortcuts to frequently used functions are provided. Locate the link that allows you to edit your site and click on it. Doing so will open the site editor, a centralized interface where you can manage and customize various aspects of your website, including visual elements like images. Within the site editor, direct your attention to the specific content area where the image you wish to resize is located. Click directly on the image block that stands out as the subject of your modifications. When you click on the image block, you signal the system that you intend to adjust settings pertaining to that image. This step is essential because it activates the editing mode for the chosen image. After the image block has been selected, shift your focus to the right panel of the interface. On this panel, you will find several settings organized into different tabs. One particular tab is marked with a gear icon. Clicking this tab brings up additional options specifically connected to the image settings. The options provided here include fine-tuning the image's dimensions, allowing you to adjust its width or height as necessary. Now, with the gear icon tab active, you are presented with input fields for changing the image's width or height. Adjust these values carefully to achieve the look you desire for your page or post. The interface is designed to provide immediate visual feedback, so as you change the dimensions, the image preview updates accordingly. This helps ensure that the resized image maintains the integrity of your design while fitting neatly into the overall layout. Once you are satisfied with the new dimensions, confirm that you save your changes within the site editor before navigating away. This final action ensures that the updates you have made to the image size are applied across your website. Following these instructions allows you to maintain control over how your images integrate into your content, thereby enhancing the overall user experience on your WordPress site. This tutorial has guided you through each part of the process, from logging in and accessing the site editor to selecting your image block and adjusting its dimensions. By following these steps, you ensure that your WordPress pages and posts display images exactly as you envision them, maintaining a professional and visually appealing layout. Enjoy the enhanced flexibility and creative control as you continue to develop your site.